Good evening, everyone. In this video, I'll discuss about some stock setups which I'm gonna follow for the upcoming week. So the first stock which I'm gonna see is Kazaria Ceramics. So as per the daily time frame, you can see it is making a higher highs and then higher lows. It is forming a good bullish setup. Same time, we can see good volume pumping also, and the pattern is also very good. You can see right now the stock almost broke our daily resistance, and then you can see formed a trend line and it broke daily resistance, and you can see good volume is also pumping as per daily time frame. So I'll keep this particular stock in my watch list, and if it is breaking this particular zone like 1025 or 1030, then we can expect a good further movement, and then we can enter into this particular stock. So coming to the target, so to find out the target, actually it's a new higher highs it is forming. So to find out the targets, so I'm using here Fibonacci extension, and then this can be my first target, and then this will be my second target. So it's a very clean setup. You can see here, first time resistance. Let me show you. Tried to break resistance, unable to break. Took support here, support, third time support, and then this is third time. Now fourth time it broke the resistance. So generally, if any stocks it is moving, fourth time it is coming to resistance, and with a good volume, you can expect further momentum. So that's why I'll keep this particular stock in watch list. So if this zone it is breaking and staying above this zone, then it can move to further highs it can make. So I'll keep this watch in stock list in my watch list, and I'll keep following this stock. So this is very good for positional setup. If it is breaking this zone, I'll go for a long, and I'll keep a very minimal stop loss of this. This will be my stop loss. So it's just gave a break. So I should see tomorrow or day after whether it is sustaining above this zone or it's coming back. So if it is sustaining above this zone and with good volume it is coming into picture, then yes, it can make a further highs. So next stock, Auro Pharma. Yes. See the volume here. Let me show you this Auro Pharma in weekly time frame. So before making my analysis, I'll just show you the zone. See, observe this zone. It made a high, and then we have a good volume in the downside also. Yes. So I feel this particular stock is having good buying opportunity. Let me mark this zone. It broke this particular resistance zone also. So if it is sustaining above this zone, yes, we can go for long, and you can expect this level easily. So 1060, 1050, it can be your target zone. So this is one of the positional setup you can watch for it. And then next stock, what I'm gonna say, Bombay Dyeing. Yes. Same thing. Breakout. Resistance broke. Volume. Observe the volume. And then trend line. Respecting the trend line. Second time, third time. It's a very clean setup. So it's staying above this, you can expect good target. Right. So I'll just show you what can we expect. Yes. this has a lot of potential to move upside. Yes. This can be your target zones. So this is the stock setup of Bombay Dyeing. See, clear, respecting the trend line, breakout of the zone, and we have good volume. That's it, clean setup for us for positional purpose. Then one more stock, what I am seeing is Cochin Shipyard. Breakout. Let me mark the zones again. Yes, at the breakout zone, and then we have trend line, respecting the trend line breakout, and then see the volume. So if this is breaking and sustaining above this zone, we can expect the stock can move further highs. We can expect this stock can move further higher. So you can keep this zone as your stop loss, and you can go for long if it is breaking, a resistance zone. So this is one of the setup. Then one more I'm saying a DCB Bank. Clean candles, clean zone. It took support from this zone. Last month it played in this zone. It made a consolidation. So after consolidation, again, it made some consolidation in this. And then it gave a breakout now. So generally any stock after making consolidation, same way you see this pattern over here. See, after consolidation, if a stock, any stock will give you breakout, you can see the move. The same way after consolidation, here also it is breaking, you can expect a further high, further move. So if it is sustaining above this zone, tomorrow for example, if it is sustaining above this zone in the first 15 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour, then you can expect the stock will move further up. So that's what the trick you need to follow. If any breakout is happening, and you need to observe for at least first 1 hour or 2 hours above this zone, then you can take any positional setup. Then let's talk Hutco. Same thing, it's near to the breakout, and then let me add volume. See the volume in the last couple of days, it is lit. So this resistance, if it is sustaining above this zone, should become our support. Some breakout I need to wait, breakout should happen, and then retest, I'll wait for the retest, then I'll take a long in this particular setup. So to know my target zone, I'll use Fibonacci extension, or else if as per any traditional moves, if it is there, yes, we have. So this can be my first target. This will be my second target, and so on. So it depends on your risk reward. You can decide your own risk reward and all. But if I want to take long in this particular stock, I'll wait for this breakout, and I'll wait for a retest, and then I'll go for a long. So generally, so the pattern is like this. The pattern is like this. Stock mode like this. So breakout should happen, and then retest. Then if the stock is going up, then I'll take a long. So I'll take a buy here. Then this will be my stop loss, and then above I'll keep it my target zones. So this is how you need to plan your trades. So after breakout, if you are a conservative trader, you can just wait for the retest, and then you can enter. Let's talk. We can discuss about NCC. Good volume in couple of days. You can see there's a good volume, and with the good volume, we had a clear breakout. The same thing. If it is sustaining above this zone, I will go for long, and then this will be my target zones. The structure of the stock is really good. After a lot of consolidation, the stock is about to move. Yes, so if it is sustaining above this zone, you can expect a bullish move in this particular stock. Next we have Cipla. See, it's a very good pattern in Cipla. I'll tell you why. There is a breakout happen and the retest it is happening. So if you can see, if tomorrow, if it is about to break this zone, the break of yesterday's high on Friday's high, then you can expect a bullish move. You can see here, breakout happened and then retest and it made a further move. It's the same way breakout had happened and then retested and you can expect a further move. Okay, so if it is there and you can, if yesterday high it is breaking, then you can enter for long position. So this pattern is also good. You can just watch out for this trade levels also. Fundamentally, we have one more stock, LNTFH. The same thing. This also you can keep it for watch list. Actually, this stock we are taking at around 87 zone. Still, if you want to enter now, also you can enter, but you need to wait for this particular zone to break. Till this zone is not breaking, there is no buy for you in this stock. Why? Because rejected. You can see a fall till this level, right? Second time rejected, it made a new high here. Rejected again, fall. Now you need to watch out for this stock. If it is rejecting, it can come up to any level. But still, if it is breakout happening and then sustaining above this zone, you can expect this level like 115 to 120 range. And also you need to keep this particular stock in watch list. And I'll show you, we have good trend line also here. Right, is consolidated. The same pattern, what we discussed now, the same pattern. Stock is moving like this. Breakout, retest, and then you will enter here. This will be your stop loss, and then take profit will be your upper resistance zone. That's it. So these are some of the stocks for positional setups you can watch for the upcoming week. And then one more good setup is there. Shriram Transport also, you can see Shriram Transport and Finance. I'll just show you the setup. Yes. That's my resistance zone, and this is my support zone, recent support zone. Right. And then you can see a clear trend line. Right. So I'll keep this in watch list, and then again breakout and retest I'll wait, and then I can expect the stock should move for further high target. So I'll use again Fibonacci extension to the swing low and swing high. So I can expect around 1700 will be my first target if it is breaking. And then my second target will be around 2000. Right. So this particular stock I'll keep it in my watch list for upcoming week. One more stock, Navin Fluorine futures. Yes, this pattern is good. I'll show you. Yeah. Okay. This is my support zone. So what happened here? Breakout plus retest. Observe. See, you should not take any trade. If you are a conservative trader or conservative investor, don't take trade once it is happening, once the breakout happens. So the best setup you can take like this. So if it is support or resistance, the stock made a move like this. So this is called this is your breakout, and then wait for the retest. So there are two possibilities. If a stock is making a breakout, you will take a buy here. There is a chance that it might fall down. So this particular setup, we will call it as BOF. BOF is nothing but breakout failure setup. So here what happens, the retest will happen, and then this resistance now turned out to be support. Here there is a probability only 30%, but here there is a 70% you will be on the winning side. So you need to wait for the retest, and then if it is moving up, once this high breaks, you can enter buy and keep this as your stop loss and the next zone as your take profit. So this particular setup, we will call it as BPP setup as per price action. BPP is nothing but breakout pullback setup. So these are the stocks which I'm going to watch for positional trades for upcoming week. And then I just want to say only one stock I'm just watching for intraday purpose. Intraday, it depends on the market. This particular stocks only if it is breaking out and all, you can use it for intraday, or else you can just go whatever the stocks you want to take trades. So intraday, this is good. Motherson Sumi is good. So for intraday purpose, generally you can watch for 15 minutes time frame. Let me zoom. It's moving in a channel. Here breakout happened, but this is called as breakout failure. Then again it took support. It is moving in a channel. So tomorrow, if any breakout above this, yes, then you can expect the stock might make a further moves. Again, you can use your traditional support and resistance to find out the zones where it can go. Yes, these are the stocks for upcoming week. You can watch, and as per your risk reward, you can take the trades. Thank you.